Good afternoon. Today is Friday, January 10th, 2025. I'm back here at Port 32 Marina, and this is another video for Sarpedon. We had some concerns in my last video. It looked like there was too much dirt on the boat, and I couldn't tell if it was the mud that I was kicking up, because this is a pretty shallow slip, or if it could have been some skeleton shrimp or something that was just stuck to the boat. So we're going to get another video on it and make sure that nothing's still on it. Thank you again for choosing DS Dive.